Have you ever wondered if humans could live beyond Earth? Since the dawn of civilization, we've looked up to the heavens with a sense of wonder and curiosity. The vast expanse of the cosmos, dotted with stars and galaxies, has always held a certain allure. Our fascination with the stars has led us to question our place in the universe. Could there be other planets out there, much like our own, capable of supporting life? This question has spurred the human race to push the boundaries of exploration, venturing beyond our home planet and into the great unknown. Space colonies, once a concept relegated to the realm of science fiction, have now become a serious topic of discussion. With advances in technology and our understanding of the cosmos, the idea of humans living beyond Earth is not as far-fetched as it once seemed. As we look to the stars, we begin to question, what if we could call another planet home? Our journey to the stars began not so long ago in the mid-20th century. This era marked a significant turning point in human history, as we dared to venture beyond the confines of our home planet for the first time. The driving force behind this bold endeavor was the intense competition between two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union, igniting what we now refer to as the space race. The first significant milestone in this race was achieved by the Soviet Union with the launch of Sputnik in October of 1957. This humble, beeping sphere, no bigger than a beach ball, became the first artificial satellite to orbit the Earth. Sputnik's successful launch was a significant achievement that sent shockwaves around the globe, signaling that the age of space exploration had truly begun. Not to be outdone, the United States accelerated their efforts, culminating in the Apollo 11 mission. In July of 1969, the world watched in awe as Neil Armstrong took his famous "one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," becoming the first human to set foot on the moon. This marked a momentous victory for the United States in the space race, and more importantly, it represented a monumental step in human exploration. These early feats of space exploration were underpinned by a sense of competition, but they also fostered a spirit of cooperation and shared ambition. The space race acted as a catalyst, accelerating technological advancements and expanding our understanding of the universe. It sparked a global interest in space and ignited the imaginations of millions, inspiring a new generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. Yet, these initial ventures into space were just precursors to what would follow. They laid the groundwork for our ongoing exploration of the cosmos, setting us on a path to discover the mysteries of the universe and our place within it. These early missions were just the beginning of our quest to explore the universe. From the first steps on the moon, we have been steadily advancing our capabilities in space. It's a journey that has seen us reach milestones once thought impossible, each one paving the way for the next. The establishment of the International Space Station, or ISS, is a testament to this relentless pursuit of knowledge and exploration. This space-based habitat and laboratory has brought together nations, fostered cooperation, and provided a platform for countless scientific discoveries. The ISS, a marvel of modern engineering orbiting some 250 miles above the Earth, is more than just a space station. It's a symbol of human ingenuity and a testament to what we can achieve when we work together. It's a stepping stone, a launch pad for future missions, and a beacon of hope for our dreams of living beyond Earth. But our ambitions don't stop at the ISS. We've also sent our robotic emissaries to Mars, with missions like the Mars rovers. These autonomous explorers have been our eyes and ears on the Red Planet, studying its geology, weather, and potential for life. Each rover we've sent has been more advanced than the last, a testament to our evolving technological prowess. Then there are the Voyager probes, our most distant ambassadors, hurtling through space at over 38,000 miles per hour. Launched in the late 70s, these twin spacecraft have given us an unprecedented look at the outer planets and are now exploring the very edges of our solar system. They're a reminder of how far we've come and how much further we aspire to go. Each of these achievements was made possible by a series of technological advancements, from the development of more efficient propulsion systems and advanced robotics, to the creation of more durable materials and sophisticated communication technologies. These breakthroughs have not only pushed the boundaries of what's possible but have also opened the door to new possibilities. As we have continued to explore, our dreams of living beyond Earth have become more tangible. The future is an open book, and we are its eager authors, ready to pen the next chapter in our cosmic journey. The idea of space colonies is no longer just a concept in science fiction. Space colonies. The very thought conjures images of futuristic cities dotting the lunar landscape, or colossal space stations orbiting distant planets. This isn't an idea confined to the pages of a sci-fi novel any longer, but an actual goal that researchers, scientists, and space agencies worldwide are working towards. But what exactly is a space colony? At its most basic, a space colony is a human settlement beyond the confines of Earth. Imagine a self-sustaining community where people live, work, and thrive not on our blue planet, but in the vast expanse of the cosmos. We're talking about a place where humans can exist, prosper, and perhaps even evolve under conditions vastly different from those on Earth. The benefits of such a venture are numerous and profound. For starters, it would serve as a lifeboat for humanity, a safeguard against any catastrophic events that might threaten our existence on Earth. Then there's the limitless potential for scientific research and discovery, not to mention the vast resources that outer space has to offer. Yet this audacious dream is not without its share of challenges. For one, space colonies would need to be self-sustaining. This means generating their own energy, growing their own food, and recycling all waste. Not an easy task by any means, especially when you consider the harsh, unforgiving environment of space. Living in zero gravity, for example, can have serious health implications. Our bodies are designed for life on Earth, and long-term exposure to zero gravity can lead to muscle atrophy, bone loss, and other health issues. Then there's the psychological aspect. How would humans cope with the isolation and confinement of living in space? These are just a few of the obstacles we'll need to overcome before space colonies become a reality. Despite the challenges, the potential of space colonies is too great to ignore. The idea of humans living beyond Earth, expanding our horizons and pushing the boundaries of what's possible is both awe-inspiring and humbling. The journey may be fraught with difficulty, but the destination? Now that's worth reaching for. With current plans and developments, the reality of space colonies is closer than we think. It's a thrilling time to be alive, as we find ourselves on the cusp of turning science fiction into science fact. Companies like SpaceX are no longer just dreaming of space colonies, they're actively working towards them. Elon Musk's ambitious vision to establish a self-sustaining city on Mars by mid-century is not a mere pipe dream. With SpaceX's Starship, designed to carry up to 100 passengers, the goal is to create a steady stream of humans heading to the Red Planet, eventually forming a bustling colony. NASA, too, has its sights set on the Moon and beyond. With the Artemis program, the intention is to land astronauts back on the lunar surface by 2024, a stepping stone for future Mars missions. The Moon could serve as a testing ground for technologies needed for space colonies, like life support systems and methods for producing food and water. But establishing colonies on other planets brings up the concept of terraforming, the process of modifying a planet's atmosphere, temperature, and topography to make it Earth-like. Terraforming Mars, for instance, would be a monumental task, requiring a complete transformation of its atmosphere to make it habitable for humans. While this concept currently lies in the realm of speculation, it's certainly a fascinating topic of discussion. Life in a space colony? It might seem surreal, but imagine a life where your morning commute involves a moon buggy ride, or a school trip could mean a journey to a neighboring planet. The challenges would be immense, from dealing with reduced gravity to coping with isolation, but the rewards? Unprecedented. As we look to the future, the question is no longer if we can live beyond Earth, but when. The idea of space colonies is not just a whimsical fantasy, it's a tangible goal that we are meticulously working towards. The next few decades will undoubtedly be a pivotal period in our quest to become a multi-planetary species.